Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to convert the Chaos Lord with a Flail from the Vanguard of a Slave to Darkness box. So right here I'll be using this main Chaos Lord sprue and we'll perform some kit bashing on it. Also, if you want to go with a Chaos Lord with Flail without any problem, you can go for the Chaos Chariot and right here assemble him with a Flail and then simply put him on the base and use this Lord on the Chariot. So that's easy version for that, but here I just want to go with this one and it needs a bit of the cutting, and right here we just need to cut this part, I guess, and maybe this thing right here. So this is a knee pad for the Lord, which needs to be built in separately, so I'm gonna cut this and then remove this weapon, and after that we have two options. So there's a Flail from the Chariot right here, and which needs to be assembled, of course, but there's also one option right here with a Flail from the Chaos Knights. So let's start with that conversion, and first I'm gonna assemble this guy, and probably I will speed up this process on the video and you'll be able to skip it or watch through it. So let's do this. So that's the bit that we need to work on, and it goes quite simply. Try not to cut yourself in the process and everything should be fine. You can use the saw, I'll be using the knife, X-Acto blade, and yeah. Also, when doing this, this part right here, which is the stick, I guess I can call it like that, might bend when you perform any cutting in this part, so watch out and try to do it as slowly as possible, and of course don't cut yourself. So I went full in and this bended, but do not be afraid as it's fixable with some milliput or a bit of green stuff, or you can also use a different I don't know what it's called in English, the pommel, I guess, from different sword or any other bit. So I'm just gonna remove it and file the end so it's nice and straight. Also try to make this cylinder a bit smoother. And that's it. So we have that bit done. Now we can move on to the knee pad, because it received some damage when while cutting away the spear. Okay, I guess it's done. I'll be fixing it with milliput as well. So here I'm trying to decide which bit I'll be using, and maybe I will go with this one. So at this point, if you choose to use this Flail, you don't need the spear, because but you still need to cut away this knee, as it's necessary to finish the Lord on this sprue. And I'm just gonna finish building this guy right here, and then we can attach this hand instead of the one right here. Oh, okay, I forgot the light, and now you should see a little bit more of what I'm doing here. Okay, I won't be attaching head yet, as I want to paint it separately, so and I think I will use a different head for him anyway. Now let's assemble it. clean any mold lines and all the stuff right here. I think the connections on the sprues on this model were quite nice, and we won't get any bad holes in the model. Okay, and now let's start the assembly. I will use instructions. That's the first time I'm building this model. That's just my idea on how to convert it, so sorry for that. It says that we need to start with the head, and yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Then we can take the sword. I guess that's the sword or great sword. Yeah. So now let's take out some Tamiya Extra 10 cement. It should work fine with this one. Okay, let's say that the model is complete. There's this bit of a hand that we can leave for now, and we'll see if we'll be using it. So let's go for the flail that we want to convert. And now I'm wondering if actually replacing the spearhead with this flail wouldn't be the better idea. I think I'm gonna go with it. The posing with that flail wouldn't be great. Okay, so what we're gonna do is cut away the forearm. I guess that's a forearm, you can correct me, but this thing right here we can remove. And also don't worry, you can also convert your Chaos Knight without that flail. I'm just gonna go with the flow and do something with it. And so I'm just gonna cut this bit right here and place this that. And now comes the milliput part, so I'm gonna go with milliput. You can choose basically anything else like green stuff and the green stuff, because there's nothing else that I know of other than milliput. And yeah, so I'm mixing two parts of the milliput together. That's the basic one. Can use a bit of the water to help it blend together nicely. Okay, one last comparison to the hand, and I still think we need to remove this part right here, so let's do that but with the knife now. And try not to bend the actual flail, because the chain is very, very soft. Milliput. I don't have any sculpting tools right here, and I guess I'm just gonna go with my Exacto blade, or however you actually call it, and yeah, just place it like that. You could also give the melee put of about like 20 minutes, so it cures a bit, and then start actually sculpting, because it's gonna be much better. But anyway, working with it is a bit hard. I would prefer the green stuff for this specific job, but I didn't have one, so yeah. You can use, I don't know if I mentioned that, you can use the water to help it bend a bit better. Yeah, it fell off. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna skip that process and show you the finished sculpt in the... Also, you'll be able to see the painted model I found in a thumbnail, if I actually managed to finish it at the time. And let's copy this as well. So the model is finished, I guess. There's also some bits missing, but they're not important right now. And yeah, I will try to show you the end result when it's painted. You'll be able to see it on the thumbnail, and if you like it, I will also include some my Instagram to show you the pictures of it there as well. And I like the motion, actually. It's kind of weird. Maybe I will rotate the flail around, because now it looks like he's about to like smack someone with it, and it's actually motion on it is quite nice, so it's like rotating. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.